Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simon. I am Fish Engineer here at Dax, and today we are launching Andromeda on its first ever launch. This rocket is kind of revolutionary as its systems are being propelled by an aerospike engines. This rocket is propelled by hydrolox, that means mixture of oxygen and hydrogen, and its systems are now being full loaded. We are continuing with pressurization into flight levels and expecting to launch in around 1 minute. Now, as you may know, a few days ago we've conducted a static fire of Genesis with the state of its booster that is being prepared for the suborbital tests. This booster is gonna be launching very soon, but the problems we've had with navigation systems are being really bad, and we need to delay the launch of Genesis on its suborbital test. Andromeda is full loaded. You may see the aerospike engine lighting up soon. We're going to be testing our tracking cameras today, and we are gonna let you enjoy the launch in around 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20. 15 seconds. Minus 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There goes the ignition. And the liftoff. We have successful liftoff of Genesis on its first ever launch. All systems are now being ready, and the rocket is continuing to steer itself. We have small issues with maneuverability. The engine is throttling down, and we have shut down. The rocket is still controlling itself. The small fins on the vehicle, you can see slowly maneuvering. We're using night cam vision, and here's normal cam. Night cam vision helps us see better parts of the launch vehicle. Here goes the fairing. And the normal cam help us see how the area around it looks like in real life. It has got some slight stability issues, but that's nothing we haven't really expected. And the rocket continues to control itself nominal. 30 seconds into flight, rocket is still flying up on the nominal path. Andromeda SN-1 has successfully lifted off from our pad at Alley Base and still controls itself just a little so that we have got the nice maneuverability. Here is our visualization. From our data we are receiving, this is live telemetry of the launch vehicle, and these are the onboard views. Rocket has launched shortly before the sunrise. But sadly, this mission does not support reusability. The next launch of Andromeda will be capable of reusability, but it's not the case of today's launch. We have a small little flag in the cameras here. Nothing we haven't really expected, but that's just how it is. The space is hard, flying to space is even harder. Now, thanks so much, you all, for joining us on today's launch. The systems are still tracking small minor issues, but it's nothing we haven't really counted with. Next launch of Andromeda will be in a few days, as we are rapidly building those launch vehicles. I'm preparing for all possible scenarios. Thank you so much, you all, for joining us, and we'll see you soon.